new school year and very excited to get back into the wood shop with some new students, and we'll have all sorts of fun this semester, so I can't wait to see what we'll do. So I'll have to wait and see who I get tomorrow and what it's going to bring. So tomorrow, first thing, I have my grade 8s and we'll be looking at course outlines. Then we'll be talking about the project they'll be building, which is the classic car or classic truck. This is a fun one that uses both wood shop and metal shop. Gets them exposed to all sorts of different areas in the trades, and it's a very popular one. Then I have the senior wood shop class, and we'll talk a bit about some of the projects they'll be doing, such as small furniture projects, maybe like this side table, or we got this nice cool little camping stool, which is one I did with my EPIC students last year, and some various hand tool projects, for example, like a little step stool like this, or a little wooden box that uses hand cut joinery, and all sorts of other fun projects, a lot of which students can come up with themselves, or I'll suggest if they are unsure what to build. But either way, it's gonna be lots of fun, and I can't wait to see these students and see what they want to build.